This is week 31 for Studies Weekly. The first question says scarcity means. So does scarcity mean that people have lots of food for the triangle in red, or scarcity means that there is not enough of something for the diamond in blue? Or does scarcity mean that there is too much of something for the circle in yellow? So which one does scarcity mean? Question 2, families need. Do they need candy for the triangle in red? Do they need toys for the diamond in blue? Or do they need groceries for the circle in yellow? What do families need? Families might not spend money on a place to live for the triangle in red, food for the diamond in blue, or fancy clothes. What might families not spend money on? Question 4 says, after reading this week's article, we can see that families must make decisions on how to save money for the triangle in red. Families do not need to save money for the diamond in blue, or families do not care about saving money for the circle in yellow. Which answer is based on what we have read this week? Families can save money by buying the most expensive house for the triangle in red, or families can save money by buying expensive clothes for the diamond in blue, or families can save money by looking for items on sale. How can families save money? What happens if you spend more money than you have? Is it the triangle in red that says people always have enough money? Or for the diamond in blue, you will not have any more money. If you spend all your money, you will not have any more money. Or you can get more money the next day. So what happens if you spend more money than you have? Question 7, we're almost there. How can families avoid spending too much money? They can talk together about how to spend their money for the triangle in red. Everyone spends too much money for the diamond in blue. Or they should never spend money again. So how can families avoid spending too much money? Last one. In order to save money, you can always get what you want for the triangle in red, or in order to save money, you might not get everything you want for the diamond in blue, or in order to save money, you will buy lots of expensive things in order to save money.